Namaskaram friends. Let's see 36th Divya Desam Tirutetri Ambalam. What does this name mean? Tetri refers to uphill. This temple is located in a kind of uphill, not in the same land. So that's why this temple gets the name Tetri. Ambalam refers to temple. It's actually a Malayalam word, they say, which refers to temple. Here, Perumal gives darshan in reclining posture. This is the only temple among the 11 Tirunangur Divya Desams where Perumal gives darshan in reclining posture. The other 10 Divya Desams of the Tirunangur temples are all in the standing or sitting posture. Okay, let's see the history. We know that Perumal took the Mohini Avataram while they were churning the ocean of milk. Correct? Because he took the Mohini Avatar to trick the Asuras and to give the Amudam to Devas. So he took the avatar and he also informed the Asuras that Devas has to be given the Amudam first so that they can be sent out, and then he will give the special treatment to Asuras with the good amount of Amudam. So Asuras also believed that, and they were waiting for their turn. While Lord Perumal was feeding the Devas with the Amudam, sacred Tirtham, we say sacred holy water or the sacred drink, which is referred as Amudam. Amudam is said to have the benefit that or the power. If we drink that, if the Devas drink that, they will get the longevity or the immortality. So that's why both Devas and Asuras were fighting. And Devas, sages, rishis, all the other lords, including Perumal, wants only the Devas to drink the sacred drink, because we know what would happen if Asuras take it. They will damage the complete Srishti. So that's the reason. So he made a trick. He took the Mohini Avataram and he started giving the drink. While he was doing it, Sinniha, there was an Asura lady called Sinniha. Her sons Rahu and Kedu were noticing this, and they also noticed that they may not get the drink because it is almost getting over. And so Rahu took the Deva's form. He disguised himself in the Deva's form and he sat in their queue. Surya and Chandran noticed this and they gave sign to Lord Perumal that Rahu is sitting, who is Asura, is sitting in the Deva's queue. So Vishnu chopped off Rahu's head, knowing this. So that's why even now we can see Rahu without a head. So they want to take revenge, not of course to Lord Perumal, because they know they will get defeated if they are going to take revenge on Perumal, correct? But instead they understood that Surya and Chandra gave the signs to Lord Narayana. So that's why even now we see that during Grahanam times, Rahu and Kedu, they both engulf Surya and Chandran. Because we can associate that incident, engulfing the Surya and Chandra by Rahu and Kedu, to this incident, because they are taking revenge as they showed the sign to Lord Perumal not to give the sacred drink. So that's a beautiful thing. In order to get rid of this Rahu's violence, Surya got himself hidden in a Pushkarni, in this temple called Tirutetri Ambalam. Likewise, Chandra Bhagavan, he hid himself in the Pushkarni called Chandra Pushkarni in the next Divya Desam. That Divya Desam is called Tirumani Kudam. So 36 and 37's history are of same. Surya got hidden himself in the Pushkarni called Surya Pushkarni in the space called Tirutetri Ambalam, and Chandra got hidden himself in the Pushkarni called Tirumani Kudam. So both were relieved by Lord Perumal. Lord Perumal saved them. They gave darshans to both Surya and Chandra in these two different temples. These two different temples are also one among the Tirunangur Divya Desams. So that's the details. Also, I said that Perumal gives darshan reclining posture, no? So with Bhudevi and Sri Devi, and he wants to kill the Kalakayapuram. He went to Kalakayapuram to kill Hiranyakshan. So Bhudevi and Sri Devi was asking him why he has to leave them here and go. So Lord Perumal gave them the darshan and the reclining posture, and they said to just watch him in this reclining posture, and he will return back after killing the Hiranyakshan. That's the other legend about this temple. So the Pushkarni name is Surya Pushkarni because Surya got hidden in this, and the Tayar name is Sengamalavalli Tayar. Sengamalavala Perumal. Perumal name is Sengaman Perumal. He is also called as Lakshmi Rangan, and Vimanam name is Veda Vimana. So that's the detail about 36th Divya Desam. I'll also talk about 37 now. The reason is that the history is same. Where Chandra Bhagavan got hidden himself in the Pushkarni, and the temple name is Tirumani Kudam. We have already saw the name Manikudam, right? Manikudam means light. Here Perumal graces as a light, and he gave darshan to Chandra Bhagavan. And the Perumal here is called as Varadaraja Perumal or Gajendra Vardhan because he saved Gajendra. We know Gajendra Moksha, no? So that name is also given to Perumal here. Vimanam name is Kanaka Vimanam. Pushkarni name is Chandra Pushkarni. So all these are one of the Tirunagad Divya Desams and one of the 108 Divya Desams also. So that's the details about 36th and 37th Divya Desam. 36 is called Tetri Ambalam. Tetri, I said, it's a Appal temple located in the kind of Appal, not in the regular land. And 37th is the Tirumani Kudam Divya Desams. Let's see 38th Divya Desam tomorrow. Thank you all friends. Namaskaram.